Honey extraction in under 2 minutes. I put a GoPro inside my honey extractor. Here's what it saw. Honey is extracted from hive frames by means of centrifugal force. When bees are storing honey, they cap each honeycomb cell with beeswax. Using an uncapping tool opens all of the cells for extraction. I put the frames in an extractor, which spins them at high speed, and centrifugal force draws the honey from the cells and throws it against the wall of the extractor, where it drips down and collects at the bottom. Bits of beeswax end up in this honey as well, so we strain it through a double sieve. The first sieve has slightly larger holes, and the second is a very fine mesh, ensuring very little, if any, wax ends up in the honey. Here is pure, unpasteurized, raw honey. I'm pouring it into small jars as gifts for family, friends, and neighbors.